cutty, buddy.
Oh, it's a big boy, dude.
Oh, I got one too, Shaun. I got one too, Shaun. The net, yo. Woo, me too.
Oh, listen.
Whoa! Wow, the camera. Woo. Let's see your fish,
Not
bro.
just for Kokanee.
Oh man, that looks good.
Let's see yours.
It's still on the net.
No, it isn't.
Still on the net.
We were too excited.
I blocked it and already put away the net. I could have thrown away my fish. Oh, boom. Oh my god, basically same size. Yeah. We have to weigh these guys. But stay tuned. We might have a little surprise for you. Perhaps in the next video, we're going to show you the catch and cook of Kawkawa's fish. That's right. And with my partner, Mr. Webb. Hello everyone, Brandon here with a little catch and cook from the catch from Kawkawa today. So we brought our food, our catch at home, and we got my chef friend here, Mr. Webb. So what's the process you got going here?
So I just got a little three-step process. You got flour, you got egg, and then we got panko breadcrumbs. So
so is that you gonna show everybody?
yeah, so sure.
So we filleted those guys. So what's the procedure here?
So yeah, you just first thing you want to do is always you want to get a little bit of flour on before you egg wash. Just helps the egg stick, even if it's just a little bit, doesn't really matter.
Oh yeah.
And then you go onto the egg, get it coated with egg. That'll help the breadcrumbs stick.
So you got the panko. Where'd you get this recipe?
Oh, this is just literally from just the site, like one of the forums.
Yeah, online research.
Online research. You just see kind of what guys are doing. Everybody's doing different things. But yeah, you just pack these in. If you look over there, I got my my pan, got a cast iron on the heat.
All right.
Just a little bit of oil in the bottom. Doesn't really matter what oil. And yeah.
Okay.
Super simple.
Right on.
Okay, let's get one. We can get one in. We can get these
Sure.
two
Yeah.
going right now.
Let's show everybody. Yeah.
So you want to do flush down first. So you're gonna go flush down.
Oh, flesh down.
Flush down first. You want to finish on the skin side because it helps protect the meat a little bit.
So interesting. Where'd you learn all these techniques?
Oh, I was a cook for a little bit before I became a
Oh, you hear that?
fisherman.
So he's this guy's a mechanical and into the cuisine.
Into the cuisine, yeah.
And now a fisherman as well. So the idea here, guys, was supposed to be for the lake catch and cook. I asked a few people ask about doing a catch and cook, and we tried, but it was becoming kind of a long day, so we decided to just fillet them right away at home and just cook them. So this is the catch. We got Kokanee and one cutty. So we'll do a little taste test for you and see you guys in a little bit. So what temperature are we at? So we're at half heat.
Yeah, we're just at a medium heat.
So when do you flip it, Shaun?
So only a couple minutes on the side. See, you're starting to get a little bit of color there.
Yeah.
Probably let it go a little bit longer than that.
All right.
And then you're gonna do the majority of the rest of the cooking until they're done on the skin. Helps protect the meat.
Dang, dude.
That's.
I mean, I knew how to catch them. I didn't know how to cook them like this. This is fancy stuff.
This is pan frying. I mean, you can also cook them in the oven. You could also just pan fry them with no breading on them at all.
All right.
A little bit of salt, pepper, and citrus.
All right.
And it'd be great.
Okay. So what would be a good thing to pair up with this guy? What do you think?
I mean, it's going to be good all on its own, but you could definitely have salads. That would be great.
Okay, yeah, all right. So, yeah, maybe I'll go to the garden and pick up a romaine lettuce right now. So I'll check you guys out in the garden.
Okay, so we're back here for the flip.
All right.
So there you go, nice color on there like that. That's exactly when you want to turn them.
Oh, that looks great, dude.
That one, need to add a little bit more oil to the pan for the next set, but that'll be perfect the way she is. Yeah, there you go.
So not much flour, eh? Was that flour that you used there?
That was just, the flour was just to help the egg bind.
Flour, cornstarch, what was that?
It was just flour to help the egg stick to the fish, and then you use, the egg will help the panko stick to the fish. So it's kind of it's a process. But yeah, so we'll get back to you when we check to see if they're done. Okay, so we got these cutlets done here. So what you want to look for is when you cut them open, see how it's it's going to be pink all the way through. Same color all the way through. That's what you're looking for. And if it peels off the skin like that, it's usually a really good indication as well. All right. Enjoy, guys.
All right, guys. Here comes the taste test. All right, as you can tell, Shaun already got started on the other half. I'm gonna be starting this side. So let's take a look. So fresh caught, fresh cooked. Can't get any better. So right there, guys, beauty. Nice pink flesh. Oh my God, Shaun. Mmm. Oh. Oh. Mm. I think I'll put a little bit of salt on there. Only because I prefer it a little bit salty. Oh yeah, but it's there. Oh yeah.
Pulls right off the skin.
Yeah, right there, guys. Nice and crispy. Nice and fresh. Oh yeah. Mmm. Oh. Oh. Mmm. The crispiness. Anyways, that's pretty yummy. And like I said, check out my video, guys. I have other videos as well, and let me know what other lakes you want me to try out in the Lower Mainland. But for now, I'm gonna check you guys out in the next video. Had a really good day today with my friend Shaun Webb. And like I said, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my links in the description below. Maybe we can give you guys a little recipe as well, what we did over here. But for now, see you guys on the next video. Okay, that's it. No more documenting.
No more